You'll always hear about patterns, looking for chart patterns that are tradable, especially in day trading, short-term trading. And today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite, and I think one of the most commonly repeatable ones you should be keeping an eye out for. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Be sure to subscribe, comment, let me know if you've used this pattern that I'm about to talk about or any other patterns that you've traded. I'm always looking to learn and expand my trading knowledge. So what are some of your favorite chart patterns? Comment below. And as always, ring that bell. We do live videos. We release several videos a week. If you ring that bell, you'll be notified as soon as our latest video hits or when we go live. So today, I'm going to talk about, I think, one of the best patterns you should be focusing on as a new or growing trader. And that's what a lot of traders call it differently. I use the term a dip and rip. It could be a week open, high a day break. There's a lot of different terms to talk about, but I've got a great example on screen that we're going to jump over to here. What many new traders struggle with is they see a big gainer in pre-market. They want to jump in. They don't want to miss it. You know, they get bit by FOMO. And so many of these big pre-market gainers have that big gap down in the morning, right at the market open. It stops you out. Then the stock ultimately works, and you get frustrated, you get annoyed, and you're like, wow, why didn't I wait? And I think one of the biggest things you need to focus on as a growing trader is patience, patience, patience. Remember, we are in a crazy bull market. Ever since the market shakeout in 2007, 2008, we've been grinding higher. Ever since 2015, 2016, we keep pushing higher. At literally the day I'm recording this video, we are at all-time highs in the SPY and the QQQ. My point is, there's always another trade. Don't feel like you have to be in anything. I always say I'd rather be wishing I was out than wishing I was in, okay? Use patience, use discipline, look for these patterns. And if you're struggling with your trading, one of the first things I will tell you, and that's what we're going to talk about today, is focus on that 9:45 or later type move. Try and avoid trading in pre-market. In StocksToTrade Pro, a mentorship program that I run where I do twice daily webinars, something I talk about all the time is focusing on the time of day. And you will be amazed at how many traders start out in StocksToTrade Pro struggling with consistency. They take out that early day trading, focus on these patterns, and quickly find consistency. So back to the dip and rip. This is, let me break down the idea for you. This is a stock that is up big in the morning, ideally on news. It's a stock that has ran in the past, something we call former runners. And now what you're going to do is you're going to enter into, stalking mode, S-T-A-L-K, not stock. You're going to look into that, have that methodology, that philosophy that you're going to look for the good entry. So you can see this stock is up big in the morning. And you'll have the FOMO, you'll want to get in, but you fight it. And you wait for that dip at the morning. Now, I know it's kind of small, and let me zoom in. You'll see the stock opens up here and quickly slams down. A big red candle with that wick at the bottom. You can see, stock opens green, slams hard. That's why you avoid the pre-market entry. And then your entry you're looking for is that reclaim of the pre-market highs, ideally into that 9:45 window. That is the idea. Big gainer, big drop, the dip, and then the rip is the reclaim of the high a day. And you can see on this stock, as an example, spiked $1 a share within minutes by 10 a.m. So if you avoided that shakeout early, you didn't get stopped out, you didn't feel the FOMO, you waited for that reclaim of the high of the day. In this example on UXIN, a former runner, a momentum stock that's moved in the past with news, you catch that big move to the upside. Then, as you can see, the stock just kind of chops sideways, fades back a little bit, even if you don't pick the top. Remember, you're not going to pick the top in trading. You'll get lucky once in a while, but as it fades back, it gives you a clearly defined exit, Maybe you make 75 cents a share, maybe you make $1 a share. That is a consistently repeatable setup that you're looking for. So, in closing, avoid pre-market trading. Wait for that quick shakeout at the beginning of the day. Look for those 9:45 entries, those 2 p.m. entries, those late day entries, and mid-morning entries, I think are one of the best things you can do as a trader. Now, as always, I'm looking for comments. Let me know below. Maybe you think I'm crazy. Maybe you think pre-market is where it's at. Comment below. Do you think pre-market is good to trade? Have you found success, or do you agree with me? Let me know, yes or no, is pre-market trading good, and have you traded the dip and rip 9:45 type move? Thanks a lot, everyone, and be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and be notified for our next video. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.